First things I noticed first, the dill pickle vodka, my favorite for Caesars. And speaking of Caesars, remember? Legion hot sauce. Can't have a Caesar without hot sauce. More liquor things I see. My husband's gonna call this one. It's Last Mountain Distillery whiskey. I see schnapps. This one, I've seen these. They're craft cocktails. All your ingredients are in here. I can't wait to actually try one. Oh, put your drinks in this one. I saw this one from far away, and I knew the dogs. This is why the dogs were in there. Jerky Boys meets beef jerky. Fun fact, got my braces off last Friday and ate a whole whack of these the day of. My favorite beef jerky. Favorite coffee house with the best treats, Jane Doe's. And this beautiful print that keeps catching my eye. This is stunning. The colors are perfect. And, oh, Lumsden Florist. Ooh, a little self-care. Redken. Ooh, a hair treatment. Your girl needs this one. Ooh, a Walk in the Valley bath salts. Ooh, Evo. Haircut. The test will be if my hair can fit in there, but half of it can too, so yes, scrunchy. I'm gonna put my coffee in it right now.